Hi, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This video is for the Richair HVAC team. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you heard and saw, shoot me a message and we can chat. If not, that's okay. So I'll get right into it. I'll try to keep this video as short as I can. The 3 things I want to talk to you guys about today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Now, the first thing I'll talk about is content. As you can see on your home page right here, and I'm just looking at it. It's a pretty clean page, nicely laid out, easy to read. So the main thing I want to talk about is content, which will be anything that's on this home page, from the pictures, any videos, and all the words basically. To be searchable on Google by themselves on their search engine, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page, which are going to be keyword rich and targeted. So at least 1,500 or more keywords you want to have on this home page. And also a small tip is like saving the pictures correctly. So let me show you what I mean. So if I go here, I can see what this picture is. It says 2 Mitsubishi outdoors. So you can do a lot better just by changing the description to keywords, which will help the home page rank higher than competitors basically. So really small things, easy things you could do right now to help your website move in the right direction. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. And I just did a quick search in the New York City area for HVAC companies just to show you what customers see when they pull this up. Basically the format of Google. So this top section you see right here, it's called the Google Guarantee section. This is a paid service by Google in which you go through a verification process, and once you're approved, they let you advertise on this top section. It's really good because this is the first thing customers see, and it's providing people with really high quality leads. Second, we move down to the traditional Google Ads section, and in 2020 this is a big hit or miss because a lot of people nowadays got ad blockers, and if they have those, they're not even going to see any of these. Secondly, there's a group of people out there who just have had a bad experience with clicking on ads in the past, and they don't click on them anymore. But there's still a lot of people who do click on them, and a lot of businesses that still put these ads. So if it's placed or worded incorrectly, it'll end up being a money pit. But if it's properly placed and has the correct links and correct words, it can definitely give you some good leads as well. Going down from there, we see this section, which is called a map pack. And in my recommendation, you want to have your business in this top 3 listings of the map pack, because people even pull this stuff up on their phones nowadays. And this is where I'll explain to you what a citation is. A citation is basically any place on the web which allows you to put in your business information, such as your name, address, and phone number. And that really helps people search for your business. Going down from there, we go down to this organic section. This is where companies and websites have ranked organically through different means, such as SEO and other tactical means, to get their websites to come on the first page of Google searches. And the last thing I want to talk to you about today will be backlinks. A backlink is basically any website out there which has a link going to your website. So I use this tool called Ahrefs, and this tool is a paid service, but it provides me with really good information on how to assess a company and its performance through their website basically. So as you can see, I've put in your guys' information right here, richcomfort.com, richaircomfort.com. And what it's showing me is that you guys have 21 referring domains, giving you 116 backlinks, giving you 35 organic keywords, means 18 people coming and visiting your website per month. Now, to compare this to another competitor in New York, I'll show you their numbers right now. So this is their numbers. As you can see, it's a pretty big difference. They got 800 domains, 4,200 backlinks, 7,800 keywords, which is ultimately bringing them at least 18,000 people visiting their website per month. That's definitely the direction I think you want to be going. Let me go back to yours. So all this stuff is really doable, and this is what we specialize in helping websites outrank their competitors and keep moving up every single month and boosting this number right here. So I told you I'll keep the video as short as I can. That's pretty much all I had for you today. I really hope you found the video to be educational and like what you saw. If you are interested in more on what NYC marketers can do for your business and help you grow online, definitely give me a call. I'd love to chat with you guys. My information is in my email signature. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you today. If you could please just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. Once again, thanks for watching and you have a great day.